Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with some project shares from me and my granddaughter that we did live along with Mrs. Gigi yesterday on my channel for Scrap It Thursday. And the prompts were wild card or yellow. These are for June 9th, 2022. Number 2 was reindeer or Grinch. I don't know. Number 3 was wild card or butterfly. Number 4 was bulb pen or safety pin. Number 5 was watercolor or marker. 6, something to your right or something from the kitchen. And number 7 is thick or thin lines. Now this will be in my community tab up today. Okay. Here is my granddaughter's. And here is mine. Okay, this is the prompts from June 9th, 2022. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that bigger subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be safe, be crafty, be blessed, be kind, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.